Our packaging was designed for reuse. Let me show you some ways that you can reuse these things. There's the hang tag and the little baggie. For the hang tag, you can write a note to your friends on the inside. Dear Jessica, I love you. Thanks for being such a great friend. XO Kelly. Then we have the baggie. So many different uses for this. Let me show you. You can organize the office. Thumbtacks, they can go in the smaller baggie. You can get ready for the runway and put your hair ties or bobby pins in these little baggies. You can get your doodads. These are little trash, little squiggly, I don't know what they're called, little trash, what are these called? Clothespins. These super mod clothespins can go in this baggie as well. So what do you do with those Christmas tree lights that fall on the floor? You put them in a baggie. What about taking some nuts on the trail? I like pistachios. And then if you're taking the kids to the zoo, put some pretzels in the baggie.